You know the game, social media is king, no social media presence, you're invisible, gotta hustle, gotta create content, gotta engage. It's a grind. But here's the truth, you don't have to do it all alone. AI is changing the game, it's like having a team of content creators working 24/7. AI can help you create killer content, analyze your audience, and boost your engagement. Ready to crush it? Let's go. Picture this, AI writing your social media posts, generating eye-catching visuals, analyzing your audience to see what they actually want. No, it's not science fiction, it's happening right now. AI tools are becoming smarter every day. They learn from your brand and your audience. This means more personalized content, more engagement, more growth. Stop stressing about algorithms. Let AI do the heavy lifting. So, what can AI actually do for your social media? A lot. Want to write better captions? AI writing assistants can help. Need stunning visuals? AI image generators got you covered. Want to know the best time to post? AI analytics tools can tell you. It's like having a personal assistant for your social media. Some popular AI tools include ChatGPT, Leonardo, InVideo, and Canva's Dreamlab. Explore, experiment, find what works for you. AI isn't just about automation, it's about understanding your audience better. AI analytics tools give you insights into what's working and what's not. See what resonates with your followers. Adjust your strategy based on data, not guesswork. Use AI to start conversations, run polls, and engage with your community. Respond to comments faster, build real relationships. Remember, AI is a tool. Use it wisely, bring your own creativity and passion, and watch your social media presence soar.